Hi, I'm the Boss Problem Buster, founder of the Pay Raise Commando, a senior organizational consultant of 24 years, having worked across cultures, industries, and ranks. I'm also a social psychologist with a master's and a bachelor's degrees, both with honors. My team and I train past over corporate professionals like you to get that pay raise and promotion you're overdue for, so that you can finally kill your Monday blues before you sink further and bring your inner joy back, which is the best part of my job and the goal of this channel. Kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back. Now, back to the salt mines. Sex in the workplace, boss problem number 3. You become an imbalance, a counter-equalizer. This one is tricky. Listen up. Teams are very sensitive to cliques forming within them, and for a good reason. A clique is always made of separatists, meaning co-workers who separate themselves from the rest of the team for whatever reason. They like one another more than they do the rest of the team. They trust one another more. They feel more comfortable with one another, and they don't mind showing it. Once you have one clique or more in a team, it becomes very hard to come to a consensus, pull in the same direction, trust everyone, etc. That is because instead of having a group of individuals, each with their own strengths and weaknesses that more or less balance each other out, you then have several potentially rivaling subgroups, all pushing in slightly or completely different directions at the same time. This changes the entire dynamics and further undermines the team's cohesiveness, which then makes it a team in name only, when in fact it is disintegrated into fractions. A lovey-dovey couple such as yourselves is such a clique. A clique of two is a clique nonetheless, and the effect is every bit as serious, probably even worse, because a romantic clique is by default much more intimate with one another, therefore also by default much more separatists from the rest of the team, which exacerbates the whole disruption to the team dynamics and potential disintegration of the team even further. In the next part of Sex and the Workplace, I will give you very detailed examples of these very problems that screw up your chances of getting that pay raise and promotion. Problems that you, as a lovey-dovey couple, create yourselves and also inflict on your co-workers and boss, which further detracts your chances. So join me then. If you'd like the full transcript of this video and all the videos on this channel, see the link in the description. It's on our website, bossproblembuster.com, because it's too long to paste here, so not a trick to get you there. But if you do hop over, you'll find many practical reads and a forum where you can discreetly and anonymously ask us anything in regards to landing that promotion and pay raise, to which we reply very quickly. So if you'd like to get a promotion with a pay raise, or a pay raise independent of a promotion, kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back, then subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that we can meet again.